Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about textures. So it's about how you can create more depths in your projects. I'm essentially showing three variations. First, how you can create a great one on a dark background using a stencil effect. Afterwards, you will see how to use grid paste translucent. And last but not least, we look at how you can use the 3D folder a little different than usual. Let's start with the dark background and picked fence and lost shadow. I've made a stencil from a die from Sizzix, as you see at the left corner above. And the advantage is that I can use it on the right side and on the left side. So I start with picked fence and just going along a couple of times. It doesn't need to be exact, and very easy and ready. Then I turn around my self-made stencil and I took another sponge dauber because this oxide ink is really creamy, as you see. And I don't want to overlay this, so I'm going to mix it with a little bit of oxide and now again this picked fence ink. And in result, you will see that the left side has more effect than the right side. So now we are going to add grid paste translucent. It's additional, so it's on top, which means I'm not going over the whole stencil with this grid paste, just here and there. And the cool effect of this paste is that it will pick up some of the colors which are behind. So some of this distress and some of the brown, of the white, etc. So, and we will have a look at the end after it's dry. And now I took a 3D folder and just grab a part of my paper because I wanted the cobblestones only on the bottom. And above I wanted just a little bit of wooden style, but not too strong. So I took an adapter plate it's from Lawn Fawn, but it's just a thinner plate. And then I feel it's a little bit too thin, so I will not get a result. And I add a little paper, a little bit bigger paper piece, and I run this through again. And the result will be a wooden impression, but not that strong as the cobblestones. And this is what I wanted to show you. You can use your 3D folders also to have lighter texture. But you will see the background gives another imagination. Okay, that's it. And here you see how it looks after it's dry. And you see that it picks up some of the brown and the white and so on. Okay, I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and maybe I see you soon and I say bye-bye.